Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The best gardening tools are probably one of the most essential investments any aspiring or seasoned gardener can make, transforming the often laborious tasks of planting, weeding, and maintaining your green spaces into a more enjoyable and efficient experience, ensuring your plants thrive and your garden flourishes with minimal struggle. Number 5. AVERGO Bonsai Tree Kit Deluxe. Introducing the AVERGO Bonsai Tree Kit Deluxe, your all-in-one solution for cultivating beautiful bonsai trees at home. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need to start your indoor gardening journey. Explore the art of bonsai with 5 unique Japanese bonsai tree varieties included in this kit. You'll have the chance to grow stunning miniature trees, bringing tranquility to your living space. This is a complete starter kit designed for indoor growing, making it accessible for everyone. It contains all the essential elements for successfully nurturing your own bonsai plants from seed. Looking for a unique gift? This DIY gardening kit is perfect for plant lovers, men and women alike. It's an ideal present for birthdays, Mother's Day, Christmas, and any occasion. We've included extra seeds to ensure your success. This thoughtful addition increases your chances of germination, so you can enjoy a thriving bonsai collection. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or new to bonsai, this kit is designed for you. It offers a rewarding experience for all skill levels, making bonsai cultivation enjoyable and accessible. What we like? This kit is perfect for those new to bonsai cultivation. It includes everything you need to get started, plus extra seeds for a higher success rate. If you're looking for a fun and rewarding indoor gardening project, or a unique gift for a plant lover, this is an excellent choice. What people say? The product is very durable and has a sturdy design. It is easy to use and clean, making gardening tasks more efficient. The ergonomic handles provide a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during prolonged use. Number 4. Play 22 10-piece heavy-duty gardening tool set. Introducing the ultimate gardening companion, a comprehensive 10-piece set designed for every task. It includes all the essential tools you need for a thriving garden. Crafted from sturdy steel with ergonomic handles, these tools are built to last. They are rust-proof, break-proof, and incredibly easy to clean, ensuring comfort and longevity. Our specially designed tools are gentle on your plants, allowing you to work the soil and care for your garden without causing damage. Tend to your plants with precision and care. Stop wasting time searching for tools or making trips to the store. With this set, you can effortlessly maintain your garden whenever inspiration strikes. Everything comes neatly organized in a stylish handbag with elastic straps for secure storage. It's not just functional, but also makes for a perfect gift. We stand by the quality of our tools with a lifetime warranty. Invest in a set that's made to provide you with years of happy gardening. What we like? This comprehensive set offers great value with 10 essential gardening tools. They are built to last with sturdy steel and comfortable handles, all neatly organized in a stylish bag. If you need a reliable and complete set of hand tools for various gardening tasks and appreciate organized storage, this is the perfect option for you. What people say? This is a great starter kit for beginners. It has all the essential tools you need to get started with gardening. The tools are made of high-quality materials and are very durable. They are also lightweight and easy to use. I love the variety of seeds included in this kit. There are so many different types of vegetables and herbs to choose from. Number 3. Plant Support Clips Green, 100. These essential garden clips are perfect for securing your seedlings without causing damage. Keep your plants neat and orderly, promoting healthy growth. Made from high-quality, durable plastic, these clips are designed to last. Their unique hollow design allows for excellent air circulation, benefiting your plants. These clips provide gentle support, preventing injury as your plants grow. They help straighten stems and vines, ensuring healthier development. With a simple quick-release design, these clips are incredibly easy to attach and remove. You can use them again and again without any damage. These versatile clips are ideal for a variety of plants, including tomatoes and peppers. They are perfect for grafting, tying vines, and supporting stems. Whether you're growing tomatoes, peppers, or other fruits and vegetables, these clips offer reliable support. They are suitable for both indoor and outdoor gardening. What we like? These clips are designed to support your climbing plants without causing damage. Their reusable nature and thoughtful design promote healthy growth by allowing air circulation. If you're growing vining plants like tomatoes or peppers and want to keep them tidy and supported, these clips are a practical and eco-friendly solution. What people say. The soil moisture meter is very accurate and helps me know exactly when to water my plants. This set includes a variety of useful tools, from trowels to pruners, all made with durable materials. The ergonomic design of the handles makes gardening tasks much more comfortable, even for extended periods. Number 2. Mr. Penn Gardening Scissors. Introducing the Mr. Penn Gardening Scissors, designed for ultimate comfort. Its ergonomic handle fits perfectly in your hand, reducing fatigue during long gardening sessions. Experience precision with our straight, stainless steel blades. They are expertly sharpened to handle delicate pruning tasks with ease, from roses to bonsai. These shears feature a smart spring-loaded mechanism. It automatically opens the blades, requiring minimal effort from you for a smooth cutting experience. Achieve detailed cuts on plants, trees, and flowers more efficiently. The specially designed blades allow for intricate work without causing hand strain. Keep your shears safely closed when not in use with the built-in safety lock. This protects both the blades and your fingers from accidental cuts. These versatile shears aren't just for plants. They are also great for cutting light materials like paper and cloth, or opening boxes without damage. What we like. Experience precision and comfort with these gardening scissors. Their ergonomic handle and sharp, spring-loaded blades make pruning tasks effortless, while the safety lock ensures secure storage. If you enjoy detailed work like shaping bonsai or deadheading flowers and want to minimize hand fatigue, these shears are an ideal companion. What people say. The product is easy to assemble and use. It is very durable and has a long lifespan. The design is ergonomic and comfortable to hold. Number 1. HANDLANDY Rose Pruning Gloves. Introducing the HANDLANDY Rose Pruning Gloves, designed for both men and women. These gloves offer superior protection and comfort for all your gardening needs. Crafted from premium pigskin leather, these gloves are exceptionally breathable, keeping your hands cool and dry. They remain soft even after getting wet, ensuring lasting comfort. Experience the strength and durability of natural pigskin leather. They provide excellent wear and puncture resistance, keeping your hands safe from scratches and cuts. The elbow-length gauntlet cuff offers extended protection for your hands and forearms. This design allows you to work with thorny plants like roses painlessly. With a puncture-resistant padded palm and fingertips, these gloves offer reinforced protection. Their flexible design ensures you can easily use your garden tools. These thorn-proof gloves are perfect for trimming roses, holly, berry bushes, and other prickly shrubs. They are also great for cactus handling and general garden clearance. What we like. Protect your hands and forearms from thorns and scratches with these durable gloves. Made from breathable pigskin leather, they offer comfort and flexibility for all your gardening tasks. If you frequently work with thorny plants like roses or bushes and need reliable protection without sacrificing comfort, these gauntlet gloves are a must-have. What people say. The ergonomic design of the trowel makes it comfortable to hold and use for extended periods, reducing hand fatigue. The pruners feature sharp, durable blades that easily cut through branches up to 1 inch in diameter, making garden maintenance efficient. The watering can has a detachable rose head, allowing for both a gentle shower for delicate seedlings and a stronger stream for established plants. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.